A kimchi jjigae. Oh, what a delight. This soul-warming stew embodies the heart of Korean cuisine. It's a staple in every Korean household, a dish that spells comfort, warmth, and pure satisfaction. Imagine a vibrant red broth bubbling with kimchi's tangy goodness. Add tofu, tender pork belly, and a sprinkle of green onion. Heavenly. This isn't just a dish, it's an experience. A symphony of flavors dancing on your tongue. The spicy kick of kimchi, the savory depth of the broth, and the subtle sweetness. It's pure magic. Whether it's a cold winter evening or a rainy afternoon, kimchi jjigae always hits the spot. It's the ultimate comfort food, a reminder of home and family gathered around a table. But kimchi jjigae is more than just a delicious meal. It reflects Korean history and resourcefulness. Kimchi, the star ingredient, was a way to preserve vegetables during long winters. The stew itself utilized readily available ingredients, creating a flavorful and nourishing meal. So, every spoonful isn't just delicious, it's a taste of Korean heritage. Now, are you ready to embark on a culinary adventure? Let me guide you through creating your own pot of kimchi jjigae, a taste of Korea in your own kitchen. Together, we'll unlock the secrets of this beloved dish, step by delicious step. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Before we begin our kimchi jjigae journey, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy. Just simple, authentic Korean staples. The star of our show is, of course, kimchi. Make sure it's nicely fermented, with a good balance of tang and spice. The older the kimchi, the deeper the flavor. Next, we need our protein. Pork belly, sliced thin, is the classic choice. It adds a wonderful richness and savory depth to the stew. But feel free to experiment. Tofu, mushrooms, or even seafood can be delicious additions. Remember, cooking is about exploring and adding your personal touch. Now for the supporting cast. Onions and garlic form the aromatic base, adding fragrance and depth. Gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes, provide the signature fiery kick. A touch of gochujang, Korean chili paste, adds a subtle sweetness and complexity. Don't be afraid to adjust the spice level to your liking. Finally, the secret weapons. A few pantry staples that elevate the dish. Soy sauce adds umami richness while sugar balances the flavors. A splash of sesame oil at the end adds a nutty aroma. And of course, no Korean stew is complete without a sprinkle of freshly chopped green onions for freshness. Now the moment you've been waiting for, let's cook. First, heat a pot over medium heat and saute the pork belly until lightly browned. This renders out some fat, adding richness to the broth. Add the onions and garlic and cook until fragrant, about a minute. Now it's time for the star to shine. Add the kimchi, along with some of its brine, to the pot. This brine is packed with flavor, so don't discard it. Stir-fry everything together for a few minutes, allowing the kimchi to release its magic. Then pour in your broth. Anchovy broth is traditional, but water works too. Bring it to a boil. Now it's time to add our supporting ingredients. Stir in the gochugaru, gochujang, soy sauce, and sugar. Let the stew simmer gently for at least 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. Remember, patience is key to a truly flavorful kimchi jjigae. Finally, add your chosen protein and tofu. Cook until heated through, then taste and adjust the seasonings. Remember, cooking is about trusting your palate. Once you're happy with the flavor, it's time for the grand finale. Section 4. The Art of Balance. Mastering the Flavor Profile. Kimchi jjigae is all about balance. The perfect bowl should have a harmonious blend of spicy, tangy, savory, and slightly sweet notes. Achieving this balance is key to creating a truly authentic and delicious stew. Start by tasting your kimchi. If it's very sour, you may need to add a touch more sugar to balance it out. If it's not spicy enough, add more gochugaru. Remember, you can always adjust the seasonings as you go. The type of protein you choose will also affect the flavor. Pork belly adds richness, while tofu provides a lighter, more delicate taste. Seafood will impart its unique savory notes. Feel free to experiment and find your perfect combination. Don't be afraid to let your kimchi jjigae simmer for a bit longer. The longer it simmers, the more the flavors will meld and deepen. Just keep an eye on the broth and add a little water if it gets too thick. Section 5. Serving up tradition. A complete Korean experience. Kimchi jjigae is traditionally served bubbling hot in a dolsot, a Korean stone bowl that retains heat beautifully. The sound of the sizzling stew is music to the ears. Ladle it into bowls and serve it with a side of steamed rice. The rice soaks up the flavorful broth, creating a perfectly satisfying bite. No Korean meal is complete without banchan, small side dishes. Kimchi, of course, is a must-have. Other classic accompaniments include seasoned spinach, bean sprouts, or fish cakes. These side dishes add variety and contrasting flavors to the meal. As you take your first bite, let the flavors transport you to the bustling streets of Seoul, where the aroma of kimchi jjigae fills the air. This dish is meant to be shared with loved ones, creating memories and connections over a steaming bowl of comfort food. So, gather your friends and family, set the table with love, and enjoy the magic of kimchi jjigae. It's more than just a meal. It's an experience that will warm your heart and nourish your soul. Section 6. Kimchi Jjigae, Beyond the Bowl. Kimchi Jjigae is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of Korean hospitality and warmth. It's a dish that brings people together, sparking conversations and creating lasting memories. And its versatility knows no bounds. Get creative with your leftovers. Add some rice, cheese, and a fried egg to transform your kimchi jjigae into a comforting kimchi fried rice, or use it as a base for a flavorful kimchi ramen. The possibilities are endless. As you explore the world of kimchi jjigae, remember that cooking is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process, experiment with flavors, and don't be afraid to make it your own. And most importantly, have fun. Now that you've mastered the art of kimchi jjigae, share your newfound skills with the world. Invite friends over, teach them the recipe, and spread the love of Korean cuisine. After all, good food is best enjoyed together. Happy cooking!